Today for writing, we're just reviewing how to write a teaching book, which is something that we've already been doing in class. So you guys should remember this, but I just want to review it with you since it's been a little while since we've done any planning or writing in the classroom. So remember, the first step of our how to write a teaching book is to think of your topic. Okay, actually, today I'm going to give you a topic that I want you to write all about. But for example, if I needed to brainstorm my topic, I'm going to think of something that I am an expert about that I know how to do really well so I can give as much information as possible. So my topic today is going to be being a teacher, because I know a lot about that. The second step after I've come up with my topic is to plan. Remember, every time before you start actually putting words down on your paper, you have to plan your book. And we always use our hand as our planning tool. So you can say it across your fingers. So watch me plan my book all about being a teacher. So in the middle of my hand, on my palm, I'm going to say my topic. So I'm going to teach all about being a teacher. Okay. And then I'm going to start planning it across my fingers. So maybe what's the first thing I want to tell about my book? Maybe the first thing I'm going to tell is how I became a teacher. Then the second thing I would tell all about, let's see, if I'm writing my book for someone who doesn't know about being a teacher, then maybe I want to tell them all about my students. That will be my second thing. The third thing that I will tell about in my book is the school where I work at and what it's like to work at a school. Then probably I should tell all about the different subjects that I teach. So that'll be my fourth thing. And then the last thing I'm going to tell in my teaching book all about being a teacher is why I love it and the things that I love about being a teacher. So remember, if I've got at least 4 or 5 things that I can tell, then I have enough information to write a book about this. If I could only come up with 1 or 2 things to tell about this subject, then I'm probably not an expert about it and I don't have enough to write a book. But I have 5 things, so I've got enough to write my teaching book. Okay, now that I've done that, I can move on to my third step of writing the words. But today, all you guys are going to do is practice planning across your hand. You're not going to do any actual writing of your book today. Okay, the book that you're going to write or start planning today is going to be all about first grade, because you guys are experts about being first graders. Okay, so you're going to plan a teaching book for me all about first grade. So when you touch in the middle of your palm and tell your topic, that's your topic. I'm going to teach about first grade. And you should definitely be able to come up with 5 important things to tell about first grade. Think about if you were writing this book for a kindergartner who's never been in first grade before, what would be important information for them to know? After you finish watching this video, you're going to go to Seesaw, you're going to open your activities tab, and you're going to find the assignment that says Day 1 Writing Activity. Okay, when you open that, you'll see an example video from me where you can watch me do the same activity. And then when you click Add Response, you're going to have a chance to plan your own teaching book. Okay, have fun.